In this video, I will show you how to make a beaded flower just like this one. You will need these three things. They don't have to be exact. Any similar materials will do. Tie a bead at the end to make sure the ones used for the flower don't fall off. Cut string to a reasonable size. Pick the colors for the petals and center. You will need 6 beads for the petals and 1 bead for the center. String 3 of the petal beads and the center bead. String the petal beads again in the same direction as the string originally came. Do not restring the center bead. Pull. Add the remaining 3 petal beads. It should look like this. Connect string in the correct position and tie. Future moss here. You shouldn't tie the string at the end more than 3 times. This will make sure the one bead doesn't pop out, just like you see at the end of the video. Adjust it, then cut off the extra string and adjust until it looks good. Here it is, and both side by side. Hope you enjoyed.